Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if you are facing FIFA 23 lag, stutter, FPS drops and low FPS problems. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it and select the add desktop app option, and you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is located, then you just need to check my video description for this file path. For Steam user and the EA user, just navigate to this path and select the game.exe file and then select the add option. After adding it, select the game icon over here and select the drop down and select the high performance option, and then just close up here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type NVIDIA control panel, click on open it. On left side, select the manage 3D settings. In global settings, you just need to find shader cache size. Set this to ultimated and select apply to Sage Ingest, and then go to program settings tab and select the add option, select the browse option, and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. Same thing, you doesn't know where the game is located, then check my video description for the file path. This file path for Steam and EA users, select the game exe file and select open option, and after selecting the game you just need to scroll down and find OpenGL rendering. OpenGL rendering GPU, set this to a graphics card and scroll down. Power management mode, set this to prefer maximum performance and scroll down. Vertical sync, we just need to set this to adaptive and then select the apply to save changes and close stuff here, and now go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it and select this show additional plans option and select here high performance, and after selecting it just to close stuff here, and now open the game, and now you just need to press the escape key and go to settings and go to game setting and go to display configuration and set this rendering quality to low, and then select apply, press the spacebar key and it will be saved. Make sure you set to full screen and then close off the game. Now you just need to open up game and right click on the game and select properties and check my video description for this launch option. Just copy and paste it in here and then enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and just close stuff here, and now go to search menu and type settings, click on open it and go to gaming. On left side, select your game mode, just turn on the game mode. This will optimize your PC for playing by turning things off in the background, and then just close stuff here and go to search menu and type view advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings, go to advanced tab, under virtual memory select change option and uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list you just need to select the C drive and select a custom size option and check my video description for these values. Depends on the RAM, you just need to copy and paste these values. To find how much RAM is installed in our PC, you just need to type system information, click on open it, and here you can able to see installed physical memory, in my case 32 GB RAM. After knowing how much GB RAM you have, just copy and paste the values. This is installer size, this row, go back and paste it in installer size. Same thing for maximum size, so this is the row for maximum size. Just copy the value 32 GB RAM, copy and paste it and then select set option, and the value should be set at under paging file size and select OK and select apply and OK, select OK and select the restart later option, and now go to search menu and type device manager. This is the last step. Select And then expand the display adapter section, and this is my graphics card name. Now you just need to check my video description for this link. Depends on the graphics card you have. You just need to copy and paste in Chrome. Before that, I need to show you the use of the launch option we used in Steam. This will make the game run in high priority and use all available cores. This will use all the CPU cores, and the DirectX 11 forces DirectX 11 rendering, so more stable on low-end PCs. Now we can go Chrome and paste the link and press enter and select accept all. In manual driver search, you just need to type your graphics card model name. In my case, RTX 5080. Can type your graphics card model name and type the Windows as well, Windows version. In my case, two option is available. One is for PC and one is for laptop. As you can see, depends on your need. You just need to select it. In my case, I am going with the PC. And now select the find option. Just scroll down under game ready driver. You just need to select the view option and select the download option. After the download gets done, select it. Select it depends on your preference and continue this installation, guys. In my case, I already done before. So after the installation done, you can restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can enjoy the game without having any problems. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.